Hello guys, it's me Ninda. This is day 12 of my English speaking challenge. Today I want to try to answer IELTS speaking part 2 and I have interesting topic and let's get started. Describe a film you would recommend to a friend. You should say what the film is, what it is about, who you could recommend it to, and explain why you would recommend this film to your friend. Well, I would recommend a French movie called Amélie, which released in 2001. I really admire the director of this movie because he has a very unique taste. The movie is visually stunning, not only because it's cinematography, but also due to the color grading and storytelling. Um, this movie uses a strong color palette, mainly red, yellow, and green, which makes it recognizable. And I found this movie is strange because I had never seen a movie like that before. In the first beginning of this movie, the narrator introduced who Amélie Pauline is and why she has such unique personality. She is extremely introverted, especially when it comes to romance and social interactions. However, she always tries to help others and she always finds happiness after she is doing it. And this is really beautiful because the message of this movie is that we can find joy in small acts of kindness. That's why I really want to share the positivity to my friends. For me, it's not just a movie, but also a reminder that spreading kindness can make a difference to someone's life. Okay, I think that's it for my answer and thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and feel free to comment your favorite movie and see you tomorrow in day 13. Thank you so much and bye bye.